Hey everyone, welcome back to CK Wealth Academy. It's March 2026, and if you're staring at your bank account on payday thinking, where did it all go already? You're far from alone. Recent data from Bank of America shows nearly 24% of US households are living paycheck to paycheck, spending over 95% of their income on essentials like housing, groceries, gas, utilities, and childcare. Surveys from Lending Club and others put the number even higher. Over half of Americans feel stuck in the cycle, even some with decent salaries. With inflation still sticky, energy costs volatile from geopolitical risks, and everyday prices creeping up, it's easy to feel trapped. But the good news? You can break out. Today, I'll walk you through the exact steps to stop living paycheck to paycheck. No magic windfall required. We'll cover why it happens, then the simple, realistic fixes that actually work in 2026. Stick around to the end for the one habit that changed everything for people who escaped this trap. First, understand the cycle. Your paycheck comes in, bills and necessities eat almost all of it, leaving zero buffer. One unexpected expense, like a car repair or medical bill, forces credit cards or borrowing, which adds interest and makes next month worse. In 2026, it's tougher. Necessity spending has risen faster than wages for many, especially lower and middle-income households. Median emergency savings? Around $500 to $5,000 for those who have any, way below the recommended 3 to 6 months. No wonder so many feel one paycheck away from disaster. Here's how to flip it. Start small, stack wins. Track every dollar for 30 days, no judgment. You can't fix what you don't see. Use a free app, Mint, YNAB, or even a simple spreadsheet to log every expense for 1 month. Categorize essentials versus wants. You'll spot leaks, subscriptions, takeout, impulse buys that add up fast. Many people find $200 to $500 per month they can redirect once they track. Create a bare bones budget. List your absolute must-haves: rent/mortgage, utilities, groceries, realistic amount, minimum debt payments, transport. Subtract from take-home pay. If it's negative or razor-thin, prioritize cuts here before anything else. Aim for necessities under 70 to 80% of income to free up breathing room. Cut expenses ruthlessly. Start with the low-hanging fruit. Cancel unused subs, switch to cheaper phone internet plans, meal prep/food costs, shop generics, use apps like GasBuddy. Negotiate bills, cable insurance, small wins. Many save $100 to $300 per month here without feeling deprived forever. Build a starter emergency fund fast. Goal: $1,000 first, covers most small surprises. Then aim for 1 month of essentials, then 3 to 6. Automate $25 to $100 per paycheck to a high-yield savings account. Rates still decent before more Fed moves. Even $50 per week adds up. Once you have $1,000, you're less likely to use credit for emergencies. Attack high-interest debt aggressively. Credit cards at 20% plus APR are killers. Use debt snowball, smallest balance first for quick wins, or avalanche, highest interest first for math wins. Pay minimums on everything, throw extras at one debt. Refinance if possible. Lower rates could help in 2026. Getting rid of this frees cash flow fast. Increase your income, even a little. Don't rely on one paycheck. Start small. Sell unused stuff online, freelance, Upwork, Fiverr, gig apps, or ask for overtime/raise. Upskill for better pay, free resources like Coursera. Extra $200 to $500 per month changes everything. Direct it straight to savings over debt. Automate pay yourself first. On payday, auto-transfer 10 to 20% to savings for investments before bills. Treat it like a non-negotiable bill. Use employer 401k match if available. This builds wealth quietly while forcing smarter spending with what's left. Mindset shift. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Track wins weekly, eJamble, paid extra $50 on debt. Avoid comparison. Focus on your numbers improving. It takes 3 to 6 months to feel the shift, but consistency compounds. Living paycheck to paycheck isn't a life sentence. It's a cycle you can break with tracking, cutting leaks, building a tiny buffer, tackling debt, and adding income streams. Start with just step 1 this week. Track for 30 days. Small actions today create freedom tomorrow. If this resonated, like the video. Subscribe to CK Wealth Academy for more practical guides on budgeting, debt freedom, emergency funds, and thriving in 2026's economy. Comment, what's your first step going to be? I read every one and may cover it next. This is educational only, not financial advice. Consult pros for your situation. You've got this. Let's turn that paycheck into real progress. See you in the next one. See you in the next one.